Yarny.
Hi guys, welcome to Yarny. In this video, we wanted to talk about crochet and the brain. Most people don't get into crochet knowing it can be so good for your brain. So actually, crochet engages the brain's right hemisphere, and not only does crochet help keep your brain sharp, but it can also keep your brain functions healthy.
Totally agree, guys. So often, even people with mild cognitive impairment are recommended to do crochet because it actually helps their brain function improve. So watch this video, stick with us, and we'll show you what crochet can do for your brain.
So number one, it can reduce stress. Some people find that crochet helps them relax, while others use it as an outlet for creative energy. So no matter what your reasons are for crocheting, there is no doubt that this activity actually helps reduce stress levels. So you get to be in your own world a little bit and just work on a project that's dear to your heart. And your brain doesn't think about any stressful events or things in your life, instead focuses on the crochet project. If you're new to crochet, start with very easy patterns that don't require too much concentration. Once you've mastered basic stitches and techniques, try more challenging projects that will stretch your skills. So just disconnecting from thinking too hard can be mentally rewarding as you feel your stress levels go down with crochet.
All right, guys, number two is rewarding projects. So crochet can provide a sense of motivation and satisfaction that it lasts for a long time after the project is complete. So once you get in the habit of starting to complete these crochet projects, don't be surprised if they continue to build into other projects as well. So I find it super rewarding for like my brain. When I put my crochet stitches together and I assemble an amigurumi project, because personally, I really get a sense of satisfaction from finishing up the project, showing you guys, and then this carries through because then I really get started on another project after that. So kind of that's how it helps me out, and I do find it really rewarding.
So number three, crochet actually help relieve depression. Life can get you down sometimes, but you'll always have crochet. Even more, you can find a nice community online in crochet. We are like a tight-knit family. So getting stuck into a fun and happy crochet project can totally turn your mood around. In fact, many doctors even recommend for people with depression to focus on an activity such as crochet because this promotes good mental health.
Love it. Well said. And also, it can reduce your anxiety as well. So, just like it can relieve depression, it's been shown that it can reduce anxiety. So, creative activities in general are a great way to have an outlet and have something to focus on when you have anxiety. So, crocheters who use their motor skills and focus, the two of these together, it can really help one get their brain off any anxiety. So, if you just take a break, crochet a bit, it can give you a little bit of sense of relief. So just give that a try.
So number five, do you want to keep your hands communicating with your brain as you get older? So if you do, don't stop crocheting. All the repetitive hand movements in crochet are really great for the brain. So doctors, again, even recommend that patients can learn to crochet if they need to work on their motor skills. Or it also helps improve a mild cognitive impairment. So please do get the crochet hook and yarn working between your hands and your brain. We'll thank you for those repetitive movements.
Number six, guys. So crochet can aid in focus. If there's one thing you learn repeatedly in crochet, it's the patterns. It's almost like reading a new language when you're learning crochet. So for crochet patterns, you're going to need a bit of focus. And this translates into good brain health. As the brain learns these crochet patterns, you will have to like increase your focus at first to learn the patterns and then apply them. So while crochet requires focus, it's also very passive. You can crochet while you're watching TV, like you do a lot.
I love that.
Your brain can generally focus on both. So just keep that in mind when you're crocheting, but it will take focus.
All right, so number seven, last but not least, crochet helps with insomnia. Everyone knows the feeling of a hard day at work. Some people can't even sleep at night with work still on their mind. So they might turn on the TV, scroll on their phone. Honestly, it's better to disconnect from screen, from your phone, the TV in the evening if you do have insomnia or difficulty sleeping. The better activities are creative activities. Try crocheting before bed. Don't be surprised if you're able to fall asleep easier and faster. For people who use their logical left side of the brain all day during work, crocheting with the right side of your brain will actually give the other side a bit more time to unwind and rest. So hopefully you'll feel your mental health getting better and sleep improving from all the positive benefits of crocheting.
Great. And so, guys, I have the free reign of the outro today, so I'm really excited. If you're still with us, I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. If you even like my new haircut that I gave myself and you're watching, leave a comment below. Let us know what projects you want to see next. Keep crocheting. It's good for the brain health, and we will see you soon.
Yeah, we will see you soon. Thank
All
you
right.
for watching.
Bye, guys.